Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the DNA replications. DNA is the genetic material that defines every cell. Before a cell duplicate and it's divided into the new daughter cell through either mitosis and meiosis. Biomolecules must be replicated in order to ensure that each new cell receives the correct number of chromosomes. The process of DNA duplication is called as DNA replication. Replication follows several steps that involve multiple protein called replication enzyme and RNA. In eukaryotic cell such as animal cell and plant cell, DNA replication occur in the S phase of interphase during the cell cycle. The process of DNA replication is vital for cell growth, repair, and reproduction in organism. Then the key takeaways: uh, deoxyribose nucleic acid, commonly known as DNA, is a nucleic acid that has three main components: a deoxyribose sugar, phosphate, and nitrogenous base. Since DNA contains a genetic material for an organism, it is important that it is copied when a cell divided into daughter cell. The process that copies DNA is called replication. Replication involves the production of identification helix of DNA from the double stranded molecule of DNA. Enzymes are vital to DNA replication since they catalyze very important steps in the process. The overall DNA replication process is the extremely important for both cell growth and reproduction in a organism. It is vital in the cell repair process. Then the DNA structure. DNA or deoxynucleic acid is a type of molecule known as nucleic acid. It consists of 5 carbon deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate, and nitrogenous base. Double stranded DNA consists of the two spiral nucleic acid chain that are twisted into a double helix shape. This twisted allow DNA to be more compact in order to fit within the nucleus. DNA is packed into tightly coiled structures called chromatin. Chromatin condenses to form chromosomes during cell division. Prior to DNA replications, the chromatin loosens, giving cell replication machinery accessory to the DNA standard. Then we see the step and process of DNA replication. Step first, replication frog formation. Before the DNA can be replicated, the double stranded molecule must be unzipped into two single strand. DNA has four bases called adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine that form pair between the two strand. Adenine only pair with the thymines and cytosine only bind with the guanine. Then the DNA directional is a standard significance by 5 prime and 3 prime ends. This notation signifies which side group it attached the DNA backbone. The 5 prime end has a phosphate group attached, while 3 prime means is also known as 3 dash end has a hydroxyl group attached. Then the step 2, primer binding. The leading strand is the simplest to replicate. One the DNA strand have been separated a short piece of RNA called as primers binds to the 3 prime ends of the strand. The primer always bind as the starting points of replications. Primer are generated by the enzyme DNA primase. Then the step 3 is elongation. Enzyme known as DNA polymerase are responsible creating the new strand by a process called as elongation. There are 5 different known types of DNA polymerase in bacteria and human cell. In um, bacteria such as E. coli, polymerase third is the main replication enzyme, while polymerase first, third, and fourth and fifth are responsible for the error checking and repairs. DNA polymerase third bind to the strand at a site of primer and begins adding new base pairs. Then the fourth step is terminations. One both of the continuous and discontinuous strand are formed. An enzyme uh, called exonuclease remove all RNA primer from the origin strand. The primer are then replaced with the appropriate bases. Another exonuclease the newly formed DNA new to check, remove, and replace any error. Another enzyme called DNA ligase join Okazaki fragment and together forming the single unified standard. Then the replication enzyme is following DNA helicase, DNA primase, DNA polymerase, includes exonuclease, topoisomerase, and DNA gyrase, and last is DNA ligase. It is used the join DNA fragment together forming the phosphodiester bond between nucleotide. It is all information regarding to the DNA replications. Thank you.